Kisho inu holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So finally, guys, after a long time, Kisho inu is again start positive changes, and this is the good news for all Kisho holders, guys. Because you know what? After a short fast, after one day fast, Kisho inu changes is again positive, guys. So very congratulations to all Kisho holders. Now guys, in this video I'm also talking about Kisho inu, that what will be the next move is in the future. There is possibilities that the price of Kisho inu will pump or dump. Let me show you guys. So first of all guys, it is time the right now price of Kisho inu in the market. You can see here 0.000003 USD dollar. That is the current price, guys. I think Kisho inu is still opportunity for investment, guys. The price is very low if you want to buy Kisho inu, so I recommend again and again that buy now Kisho inu, Shiba inu, and SLP. Like furthermore Baby Dogecoin, these is all project is very good project, and they will give you a huge profit if you hold for long time, guys. Anyways, the changes of Kisho inu, you consider last 1 hour in the last 60-minute update is positive. So that's why I decided to make a video, because there's good news for all Kisho holders. Absolutely, after one day fast, now Kisho inu start positive changes. And guys, I believe that for a long time Kisho inu will continue this pump. So now what should we do in the right now situation? For all the holders, it's time to hold, because now it's just a beginning, guys. It's just time to hold. Just hold and subscribe channel for more update videos.